Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're over at the cabin working. So we heard a weird noise, wondering what it is. I had to be stealth, sneak down here. Let's see, where did they go? Right down in there. The cows are down there. Dolly's rubbing up against the fence or something, making a weird noise, and we had to figure it out because we kept hearing it. But I wanted to show you the sweet potatoes. The weeds are starting to catch them again, but they'll be harvested within a couple of 3 weeks. The okra, the Star of David is producing pretty good right now, but it's starting to get root nematodes. The Hoss Tools is, let's see, right here. It's starting to bloom. You can see blooms in it. And look, popcorn, Tosselin. Isn't that awesome? The wind blew it over the other day, but hey, it's looking good. And sugar cane, right here. It's getting there. About 2 months to harvest on sugar cane. Guys, this is the 1st of September. I want you to look at this. These peppers have been amazing for probably close to 3 months. 1st of September. I want you to see this. Danny's amazing pepper plants. I mean, they're just loaded. They just keep producing over and over. Isn't that awesome? And you see bees are pollinating. Great. So the asparagus that we planted is all growing and doing great. It's putting out new shoots. We're letting it go. You can see here all this new growth. So next year we should have a good stand of asparagus. The basil's looking great. We're probably going to dehydrate some of this before long. And this one is starting to bloom. I usually take the blooms off so that it thinks it's still producing and we get more basil, but that's just a beautiful plant, isn't it? Our peas are up, looking great. And we have a pretty good stand of them. Almost a perfect stand out across here. The wind and rain got a few in spaces, but we have more wind and rain coming in, but not heavy, hopefully. Maybe we'll get a few peas off of these. They're probably about maybe 2.5, 3 weeks old, and they're doing great. These are first sweet potatoes we planted, so we're fixing to harvest these probably within 2 to 3 weeks. These, if there's not much rain coming in, we'll let these go as long as we can. Then we'll start harvesting sweet potatoes by the end of September. The ones on the hill, we're probably going to let them go as long as possible, maybe into October. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our new cabin update. This is the 1st of September. What's going on with the garden? Thank you guys from Crazy Days.